Hi, everybody. I'm here with Joe Atkinson, and we're talking about recruiter enablement. So, Joe, give us a quick introduction to you.
Hi, Adam. Happy to be here. I'm Joe, founder of Purpl. My background is in recruiting for tech startups and scale-ups. Well, actually, before this, I worked in supply chain and played cricket in Australia, but probably not too relevant for this conversation. So yeah, started in London recruiting for different startups and scale-ups across Europe, and then got to join a scale-up in-house. Saw loads of cool things that were going on in the world of sales enablement there. Clicked something in my head. I love personal development, self-improvement, and saw those sort of two things combined with sales enablement. Teams, recording their sales calls and then gathering together with their peers to review, to talk transparently about what went well, how they could improve, all with the aim of getting better for the next sales call. And for something like this in talent acquisition would be really cool. So I went on the journey of trying to build something, which was Purpl, the company I've now founded, which has sort of two main aims. One, to help people learn from not just the best recruiters in their team, but outside of their four walls. And two, to provide some specific knowledge to operational recruiters in the tech, startup and scale-up space.
Cool. Very good. Time out. You said you were in Australia playing cricket. Were you getting paid to play cricket?
So they flew me over there and I got paid to coach, and I had to play for them as well, was the deal.
That's amazing. Are you a batsman or a bowler or what?
I'm nothing these days, but I used to be sort of a bowling all-rounder.
Fast bowl? All right. Like spin bowl, googlies and everything?
Seam bowler.
Nice. Okay, cool. Right, Joe, tell us about Purpl. Just honestly, just pitch it. I want to know more about how it works, who'd be wanting to use it, and how you build up the content and all that type of thing.
So we've got two sides to it. One is our all-in learning solution, which you have on-demand sessions. So we create training sessions with different senior talent acquisition professionals. So about all the mentors are people who are either still in talent acquisition right now or have been very recently, so they understand best practice in 2023. And then we take a really granular approach. So we pick a topic and we really get down into the step-by-step process. We do build out live examples. If we're doing sourcing, we start building booleans. We do sourcing sessions, all with the aim of giving people process, best practice they can take away straight away and apply in their role. At the minute, all the content is for operational recruiters, so not so much heads of VPs, but the people who are out there sourcing the candidates, writing the job adverts, conducting the interviews. So we have this. You can watch any session in any order based on what you're interested in. And then launching on the 1st of November, we're adding dedicated courses as well. So these will be dedicated learning paths with the learning sessions, but also toolkits, so different things that you can use to help you improve in your role, things like intake sheets, other different resources and assessments as well. So if you pass all of those, you'll also get a certification at the end. And this is available, no extra cost on our platform, but also as a standalone product as well, if you just want to learn about one topic, say stakeholder management, for example.
Great. So what do companies subscribe, or how does that work?
Yeah, so you can either subscribe as a team. If you're a head of talent and you'd like all of your team to get some learning, you can sign up as a team. Or if you're an individual recruiter listening to this and you've got a personal L&D budget and you're struggling to find something practical to spend it on in the talent acquisition space, then you can sign up as an individual as well.
Okay. And the types of companies that this is most suited for, what's their sort of profile?
Yeah, so we have a split, probably about 50-50 at the moment between tech, startups and scale-ups. So a lot of our subscribers are talent teams of 1 to 3. They really get a lot of benefit from it because they don't get that osmosis of ideas in their teams. But we also have scale-ups who are looking to put some best practice into their talent acquisition. And then the other 50% are RPOs, embedded consultancies, who find that their clients hold them to quite a high standard in terms of what they bring to the talent acquisition table. They really want those people to be true business partners when they place them in different companies. So they're seeing a lot of benefit from the platform too.
Great. And this is not the sort of thing that we're offering at Poetry. So if you buy Purpl, you could put your Purpl tile onto the learning area of our mosaic. Why Purpl? Are you a big Prince fan, or?
I'm actually not. To cut a long story short, because it's not that interesting. I was riffing on different names, and when I was starting, I wanted it to be training, but like specific. So training with a purpose, like it was really purposeful training. That got cut down to Purpl. It then made my branding easy as a non-creative person, and here we are.
Yeah, purposeful, Purpl. Okay, great. Lovely. All right, Joe, thanks very much for your time. Good to talk to you, and all the very best with Purpl. See you soon.
Thanks, Adam.